homies, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Sinead, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how I got from this straight hair to this curly hair using a V-part wig. So getting straight into this video, I got this hair from UNice hair company, so I'm quickly unboxing everything to show you guys what I received. So I got that silk bag. They also gifted me with this cute ring. I got adjustable headband, a melt band, a wig cap, a bonnet, another bag with goodies. So I got another melt band, a makeup brush, some eyelashes, a bonnet, and a super cute robe. So you guys can wear this robe while you guys do your hair as well. And of course I got the wig itself. This wig was a 24-inch wig. It is a V-part wig like I mentioned before, and it's a dry, straight, and wet deep wave V-part wig. This wig was 150 density, so I'm just showing you guys exactly how it looks. It has these clips on the top, 4 of them that you will clip onto your hair. It also has combs at the side, 1 at the back, and it also has the adjustable bands. So yeah guys, this is how the wig looks from the inside, and this is how the hair looks. So as you've seen before, I got this straight wig curly as well, so stay tuned to see how I achieved these looks. Alright guys, so my hair is already washed, blow dried, and flat ironed. So now I'm basically just combing my hair through. I'm just gonna quickly show you guys the wig. So that's the parting of the wig, like it's a V shape. So I'm going to now make a middle part because that's how I'll be wearing my hair. And you wanna part your hair basically the same length as the part of the wig. So that's what you see me measuring right now. So I'm gonna measure it to see how long it is, and then I'm basically parting it in some small V shape. So with these V-part wigs, you don't really need a leave out, but I like using my leave out. So yeah, that's what you see me doing. You don't necessarily need a leave out, but I'm just parting out what I'm leaving out, and then I'm just twisting it. I will also be leaving out my sides as well. So that is what you see me doing now. Alright, so now that I left everything out that I wanted to leave out, I'm just combing my hair back into a low ponytail. So all this that I'm combing back is going to be underneath the wig. So I'm just going to put it up into a ponytail, tie it up into a ponytail, sorry. And once it's in a ponytail, I'm going to be using a bobby pin. The bobby pin that I'm using is like an extra long one because a small one won't hold my hair, and I'm going to use it to hold the ends of my hair up. That way it's not hanging down in the wig. So now I'm going to be using the back clip that's in the wig, and I'm going to put it in the back of my head right in the middle. That's how I can always center my wigs. And then I'm just going to attach the wig onto my hair using the clips. So you honestly just snap the clips in, and then there's combs at the side that I just push through. And the wig is basically on. That is it. It's simple as that. I don't need to use no needle, no thread, no nothing. The wig is on my head. Now I'm just going in and I'm going to flat iron the wig to just straighter because the wig did come straight already. So I'm just passing my flat iron through it. This is the Babyliss Nano Titanium flat iron. I believe it's a 3000, but guys, my Amazon storefront will be down in my description box, so you guys can check it out for any of the products. Well, most of the products, if they have it, I will have it listed in my Amazon storefront, so you can check it out. But right now, I am just flat ironing the hair. So guys, one thing about me, like if I'm gonna flat iron a hair, like I want it bone straight, but you have to remember this wig is still like, in a sense, a curly wig because it does curl, so it's not gonna be bone straight. It's gonna look like a natural hair, which is still good because realistically, guys, you want a natural look. So I couldn't really complain because by the time my hair like fell on top of it, it was completely fine. So yeah, I just wanted to mention that. So for this top part, I am going in with my Paris hair wax stick, and I'm going to just spread it on my hair and then use the flat iron and go over it. Alright, and you already know, last but not least, I have to use my Ebon Edge Control. This is the 24-hour Ebon Edge Control with the black lid. And I'm just going in and I'm applying some to the front of my hair. And that is basically it. Once your edge control is applied, your hair is done. So this is how the wig looks straight. So as you can see, it has like thickness to it. It's so nice. Like it was really nice. It wasn't just super straight. It had like a kinky feel to it. But yeah, it look at it, guys. It looked super bomb. So now that I showed you guys the hair straight, I'm just gonna go and show you guys how it looks curly. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just separate my hair. That way I don't wet it because my hair is not naturally curly. So I'm just going to separate my hair and I'm going to use my water bottle and spray down the hair. And as you can see, guys, all I'm doing is wetting the hair, and you can see the hair just reverting. It's turning curly. Like, this is amazing because you could be on vacation with this hair, and literally when you go in the water, it's just curly. You don't even have to worry about going back and flattering it because it's straight hair and you have to go out in the nighttime. Like, this is for sure a vacation hair, especially for the days you're going to the beach or you're going to the pool or anything like that midday and you're going out. Like, look at that. It looks nice straight and now it looks good curly. So I'm going in with my argan oil styling foam, and I like to use a lot of product, that's just me. And I'm spreading it all over my hair. So this is just to like kind of hold the curl a bit. And anytime I'm putting product through curly hair, you just want to go and like scrunch up the hair, like you seen what I was doing. But to blend my hair, I'm going to be using my waver. This waver is also a babeless waver. It is so hard for me to find it online for you guys. I have linked it a couple times in some of my videos, but it is a waver, and I'm just using it to wave my hair to help it blend in with the curly hair. So as you can see, I'm just combing it through, trying to blend it in with the hair. And then I'm going back in with my edge control just to do my edges. And you know, guys, once the edges are done, your hair is basically done. So yeah, this is basically 2 styles in one. Like, could you even tell that I have on the same exact wig? Could you even tell? Let me know. Let me know, because if you say yes, you are lying. But yeah, guys. So this is how the curls look. They were really pretty. Shout out to UNice Hair Company for sending over this wig, guys. All the details on this hair will be down in the description box below. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that post notification bell, leave a comment, let me know if you guys would rock this wig, and I'll see you guys in my next video.